Today we're answering the question of whether you need a rooster in order for your chickens to actually lay eggs. And the quick answer is no, you really don't, but we're going to dive into that today. First off, I'm Danielle and welcome to our channel, The Split Farm. We bring you new content every week about how to start your own homestead and live a more self-sustainable lifestyle. And this month we're talking all about chickens, so if you're thinking about starting your own flock or just expanding it, then this is the month for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our community. But let's dive into the fact of whether you need a rooster or not. Now, we have hens and a rooster at our farm, and we love them all, and a rooster is so valuable in so many different ways. The rooster is really there to protect the flock, and if you do free range your hens, you're going to notice that he really does protect them. He gives out warning signs of when predators are arriving, and he will actually be the line of first defense when a predator does come. We've actually, unfortunately, lost one rooster because he was protecting a lot of his flock, and all of the hens made it out without a scratch, but we did lose him, unfortunately. Some other pros to a rooster is when they are out in the wild or if they are free ranging, you're going to notice that they're going to be the ones that are going to help spot the food first and let the hens know about that food, and they're also Roger. And if you did want to fertilize your eggs, then you would need a rooster in order to fertilize your eggs. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need roosters in order to get your eggs. You will still get a healthy supply, although they will just not be fertilized. So if you aren't looking to reproduce your chickens, then you really don't have to worry about this at all. If you do want fertilized eggs and you are looking to incubate them or to have your chickens create their own little chickies that grow up, then you would need to actually have a rooster. And if you do add a rooster to your flock, I definitely suggest having one rooster for every 8 to 10 chickens, and this way they have enough females for each of them and they don't kind of get rude with any of the females, and they're still able to take care of their flock. But best of luck. I hope that this was helpful. We're gonna go crack some eggs and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.